Hey YouTube, is my phone okay? Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So if you haven't seen yesterday's video, definitely go check that out. We are actually in the process of taking yesterday's hairstyle down so we can do today's hairstyle. So I'm trying to see if I'm able to achieve this hairstyle, because honestly I don't know how I look with like side hair out, so we will definitely see. But yeah, we'll see. So I'm pretty actually, well, not pretty actually, I'm actually pretty excited because my hair was already parted, so all I need to do is mess with these. I'm gonna straighten it up just a little bit. I'm definitely gonna put this back. So put this back, okay. And we're gonna just start with the middle. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's just little 6 little rubber band parts. So we are going to see. I'm actually in the greatest position, y'all. Okay, let's see. Let's take some of this hair off. Yeah. Is that enough? Should I take more off? I really wish I could talk to me. One day I'm gonna go live and do my hair. I feel like that would be like the best solution for me. But okay, so I like this. Okay, yeah, I like this. So I'm gonna do this. How are you guys doing though? It's October. Hairtober, Vlogtober, whatever you guys want to refer it to. I mean, I would prefer for y'all to call it Hairtober, but it's definitely up to you guys. But yeah, I don't know, something about October just makes me happy. So yeah, I'm definitely in great spirits. It's almost Christmas and Thanksgiving, so I'm having a ball. But okay, so after we get this middle section, I'm going to part my three little thank yous. So I kind of made one a little too big, so 1, 1, and then this hairstyle actually seems like it's gonna be pretty simple. This is my 2 and 3. So I only had to part it twice. That was great. But yeah, this hairstyle seems like it's gonna be pretty simple. I'm praying it is, because the thing I'm actually really nervous about is my side. So we'll tackle that when we get there. Okay, so I got my 3. Got my 3. And of course, whatever I do to one side, I'm doing to the other. So let me take this rubber band out. I'll be reckless with the rubber bands, man. Okay. Stick and move, stick and move, stick and move. I don't want it. My lips feel like they're dry. Ew. Hate dry lips. Okay, got my one twist. Making sure that I line it up as even as possible with the other side. Got my third twist and my second. Oh no, I wanna do something with that. Hold on. Okay. See, it's good. It's good. So I'm gonna stop doing all that extra. Okay. When I'm on the ground, I'm gonna stick and move. Okay, so the way I'm gonna do this is pretty simple. I'm gonna start from the front and then go to the back. So let me put these up and let's get started. Okay, so I got the easy part out the way. Now it's time to get to working on this. Yeah, I'm terrified. If it comes out cute though, like I'm gonna be so shocked, no lie. Need to fill up my water bottle. So I'm going in with my Cream of Nature Argan Oil on the sides because the back is fine. These sides need a little TLC. I'm definitely gonna do my edges again. Just wanted to get my hair coated first. Wanted to get my hair coated first. Especially the top and my edges and my roots. Okay. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, we're about to do this top part. Because they were also not part of the back, so I definitely need to wet them up. Put some cream of nature curl cream activator on it. Okay, and now for these edges. Okay, and now we're going to I just messed it up. I was just doing good. I don't like it. So, change of plan. I'm about to take my sides and brush them up. Cause I'm not about to go out looking bad. Not about to go out looking bad. So brush it up. I'm gonna just put a rubber band on each side and then bring them together in the middle. That's what I'm gonna do. So take my brush, brush it up. Yes, baby boy. I feel like he knows when I'm recording. So he's like, yeah, give me attention now. Yes, you. What's up, Sam? Simba, what's wrong? You don't want to talk? What's wrong? Where's my big boy? He's just literally looking at me like, you see me. Okay, and then meet them in the middle. Okay, definitely feel way better about this. Actually, I like it. I like it, Picasso. Okay, let me brush up my edges. And we are done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because we are almost done with HAIRtober. I'm going to miss you guys so much, but I'm still going to be posting on my channel, so definitely subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never ever miss when I post. See you guys later.